Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you all how to make money on Binance. But before we get into details, if you are new here and you are not subscribed to this channel, I want you all to kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now, to make money on Binance, you first have to download the app. So I'm just cancel YouTube. Then you enter Play Store and you search for Binance, Binance. Then you search. Yeah, we are just going to wait for that to load. So yeah, you can see Binance BTC 600 plus crypto. You can see it has 15 million downloads with 1 million reviews. This is like one of the best crypto trading apps. So you are just going to click on that. You know, it's already installed on my phone, but I've not yet installed this. You would have seen an install button right here where there's uninstall. So since I've installed it, I'm just going to click open. So you can see the app is opened now. This is not the pro version of the app. So before I show you all how to actually make money on Binance, I might just give you a quick tour of the app. So you can see these two arrows. That will be for if you want to buy crypto or deposit crypto. We are not going to talk about that now. We are going to talk about that in another video, but I just want to give you all a quick brief tour of the app. So yeah, these wallets, these are your wallets. These are like quick coins, the most common coins. I can buy BUSD, it's just 0.9 to $1. Theta USDT is 1 USD, then Bitcoin is 21,000 USD. So you can see all the different coins. You can see a lot of different coins. There are thousands of coins, man. You can buy the one you want, but we are not going to be talking about buying coins today. So yeah, let me show you all how to make money on Binance. So you see this image at the top left corner. You're going to click it. So you can see this version. This is not the pro version. This version has less options. You cannot really do anything with this version. So I'm gonna just click. Then you see this Binance Pro. You see this Binance Pro. You would enable it. Then you can see the app switched to the Pro app. You can see this version. You can see the Pro version. A lot of options, man. Yeah, you can see deposit. You can see referral, which is going to be the main thing we are going to be talking about today. There are a lot of ways to make money from Binance app, P2P trading, referral. A lot of ways to make money from Binance app. But today, I'm going to be talking about only referral. So subscribe if you want to watch more videos on how to make money. You can see the transfer option, the convert, the sports chat card, more. You can see a lot of coins, how you can trade. Yeah, let's move to markets. I just want to give you all a quick talk. You can see markets, then trades. Then now, I'm going to watch later, then features, then my wallet. So yeah. Let me now take you all on how to make money with the Binance app. So you're going to click that top left corner again. You're going to click it, that icon there. You can see Binance Pro, enabled now, referral, task center, reward center, pay, gift card, my gifts. You can see there are a lot of ways to make money through this app, but I don't think people would really understand it without proper guidance, which is why I'm here today. And the first one I'm going to be explaining to you all is the first one on the list, referral. You can see it's unlock rewards, so you are just going to click it. So yeah, we are going to wait for that to load. So yeah, it's loading. You can see crypto exchange referral program. It's a bit complicated, but I'll walk you all through it. So you can see there are two types of referrals here. There's the light referral and there's the standard referral. Now, for this first one, I can refer friends and I would get 100 USDT trading fee credit each. Like both of us will get the same thing. 100 USDT trading fee credits each. So yeah, this is how it's gonna go. You are going to share your referral link with the friend you want to invite. Then you invite your friend to sign up and deposit more than 50 USD. Then both of you are going to receive 100 USD trading fee rebate voucher each. Now, there's a specified amount of time your friend has to deposit that money. I think it will be down. So you can see invite friends. This is my light referral ID. And this is my light referral link. So if I want to refer someone, it's the referral link I would click, not the referral ID. See, let me just copy it. So you can see it copied to clipboard. As it is that, then you send it to the person you want to refer. Then both of you get it. So yeah, there's also a bonus again. I can refer 3 friends to join Binance, and I'm going to get a 8 USD gift card and 100 USDT trading fee rebate vouchers. If I invite 3 people, for sure I'm getting an $8 gift card. I don't have to drop any money to do this. I get my $8 gift card soft. So yeah, there are certain rules, you know, if you want to refer your friend, because let me show you all. Referees must accumulately deposit more than 50 USD within 14 days of registration. Both referral and referee will be rewarded with a 100 USDT trading fee rebate voucher each. You can only claim 1 reward per referral. For example, you will not be eligible for standard referral rewards if friends sign up using your light referral mode. You can see that's what I talked about at the beginning of the video. You can see there's the light referral, there's the standard referral. If I refer my friend using standard referral, I'm not going to get this 100 USDT trading fee for light referral because my friend registered through standard referral. So you can only claim 1 referral bonus. So yeah, let's scroll down. Yeah, you can see that's that about that. But be careful about this. If you're referring someone, make sure they register and deposit within 14 days. That's 2 weeks for you to get this 100 USD trading free credit each. Now let's move to the standard referral. So the standard referral is actually the best. It's actually the most favorable. I advise you to do this one because it's easy, man, for those who are not trading. So you can see, refer friends, earn crypto together. I can earn up to 40% commission on every trade across Binance, Spot, Fusion, and Pool. That means any crypto my friend trades, I'm going to get 40% commission. You know, I'm going to get 40% out of the transaction fee. So you can see, but for now, I set it on 20. You can see I've scrolled down. You can see my default referral. I'm going to receive 20% and my friend receives 0. Now I can change that. I don't mind like that. So let me explain how I did that. You see this default referral, you are going to click it. Then it's going to bring out these options. Then I'm going to click add new referral. So add new referral. Let me just note standard referral. Then commission ratio. You see this friend can take 5%, 10%. Yeah, friend is going to take 10%. Let me save it. So yeah, we are going to wait for that to load. So you can see, if I want it to, you know, be 50-50, you can see that first UNURHTHR standard referral, I'm going to get 10% and my friend get 10%. That's 50-50. Or you can see the second one, which is the default. I'm going to get 20% and my friends get 0. But I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one I just created. So everything will be 50-50. Now, let's go down. You can see referral ID and referral link. If you want to invite friends, you copy your referral link, not your referral ID. So I'm just going to click copy. So you can see copied to clipboard. Also, if I don't use a link to refer them, I can just click on invite friends, and I'm going to be downloading my own special QR code which they can scan to, you know, download the app. So yeah, that's basically how to make money. Okay, let me show you all the rules. It's still the same rules. Okay, Binance has upgraded the referral program. Invite your friends to trade on Binance, and you can share up to 40% of the referral commissions from their trading fee. Now, let me just read out a few out of the major rules. Inviters can choose to share a portion of the commissions received from the trading fees of the friend they invite as a kickback. Inviters can set the sharing rate as follows. You can see all that. If the inviter's daily average BNB account balance is 500 BNB or more, the base referral rate is increased to 40%. That's in the way I'm going to get 40% if my daily average BNB account balance is 500 BNB or more. I'm not with that in my account now, which is why we are working, you know, on a 20%. We are sharing 20% together. So once you download the Binance app, you can just come and read all this. So yeah, finally, that will be all for now. And don't forget, you cannot refer one user using the 2 referral options. You have to use only one, but I suggest the standard referral because it's more understandable. The light referral will only favor you if you're a trader. Yeah, so that'll be all for now. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more videos on how to make money, kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, and enable notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. The link to download this app is in the description below, also in the pinned comments.